Hi everyone! First of all, I just want you to know that I'm not a singer. I'm just only a DJ from a radio station. But I just want to sing a song and I hope na magustuhan ninyo. Libre pong manlait, libre pong laitin. Gusto ko lang po kasing subukan. Nakakaingit kasi yung mga nakikita ko sa mga Facebook na kumakanta. And sana magustuhan nyo po ito. Excuse me po. Think I'll go on to Alberta, where there's good in the fall. I got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it will be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds you can blow cold way out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. I'll look for you if I'm never back this way.